If you ask most people what this is, they will tell you cinnamon, except it's technically not. This is cinnamon. So what's the difference? For starters, this is lighter in color and is made of many thin layers of bark. It is also way more expensive. It comes from Sri Lanka or Kerala and southern Tamil Nadu. And this is darker in color, thicker and pretty cheap. And it comes from China. I know what you're thinking. Chinese, so cheap and low quality. And not surprisingly, the marketing of the Ceylon or Sri Lankan cinnamon makes claims like healthier, true cinnamon. But as always, let's look past the hype. For starters, both come from trees of the Cinnamonum family. True or Ceylon cinnamon is sweeter, has a more delicate and subtle flavor, making it more suitable for sweet dishes. Most Western use of cinnamon in desserts is true cinnamon, is Ceylon cinnamon. And it has a smaller amount of coumarin, a molecule that can cause liver damage in very large amounts. True cinnamon comes from the Cinnamonum verum tree. Verum in Latin means true. Cassia cinnamon is spicier, more pungent, and is more suitable for most Indian dishes like biryani, meat gravies, and it has higher levels of coumarin than true cinnamon, but unless you eat large amounts every day, which is unlikely, it's not a problem despite all the marketing claims of the true cinnamon sellers. Fun fact, the Persian word dar means wood and chini means China, which is why cassia cinnamon in Hindi is dalchini.